You're gonna have to send it. Uh-oh. Alright guys, I have no idea where we're going, but it is the first snow of the year up here in the mountains, so we had to take out the whole squad and do some ripping. Oh yeah, night snow wheeling, baby. What's this, a Jeep? Oh man, sorry.
Yeah, me too.
I will say you guys are looking a little short though. Bam. Jeez. I can't even see the top of the Bronco. Hey.
I know, I was like, dude, that's like fine to me. Yeah. Like, I can tolerate yours, but like...
Guys don't have light pods though.
I do have pods.
That one does?
I can hardly tell they're on.
Well, because they're pointed in wrong direction.
They're not even cross-eyed, they're like googly-eyed.
See what she can hit.
see the ditch that she's gonna slide into?
You don't got fender lights.
Huh?
You don't got fender lights.
I don't need them because the fenders come off. You guys are so short, I mean, I could hardly see it down there. How's the air?
It's nice and thick down at the down towards there, you know.
Oh wow.
You got that toe strap in your feet?
I don't have it. Oh no, I didn't bring that toe strap.
Idiot.
I forgot I had it.
You're getting stuck.
I
and
know.
You didn't bring it.
Well, I asked him where it was.
There's 2 vehicles with the winch.
Yeah.
That ain't a toe strap.
You really don't need a big lift for 60s.
Gonna ask them where all their turbo noises are. Hey guys, where's all your turbo noises? I don't hear any turbo noises except coming from in the good old Ford.
Yeah, but Jeff doesn't have an inline 6 like a Supra.
Alright, let's see one of those Jeep inline 6s make the same amount of power as a Supra, Grant.
Yeah, we just end up LS swapping.
I might end up LS swapping too, so there.
I'm already driving this Chrysler.
Here we go. Chevy, Ford, Jeep. That Jeep though is sick. All 40s. Little truggy conversion.
How's the heater working now?
He's like, I don't know what to do. Okay, come on. Come here.
Okay, Jeff, we're gonna compare. This is going on your YouTube channel. iPhone video versus Android
Dude,
quality.
Shut up, man.
Who likes the iPhone quality versus
We gotta
Android?
do it side by side then.
Side by side.
iPhone. Android.
Hey, so we'll take this road, we'll go down, and we'll take a right, and we'll go up this road here.
Nice.
Flexing. He's flexing.
Oh, it got stuck already.
Hey, no we didn't. Oh, windows up. Oh.
Oh shoot, my bad.
Look who's stuck!
Hey, no.
Look who's stuck! In their Ford Bronco.
Use your locker.
Uh-oh. Yo. How do you stall an automatic? You gotta go to the left a little bit. To the left. This tire's not spinning up here. You might have to back up to Bella and then just send it. Like these 3 spin, and then your one tire in the front, usually this front right, stops spinning.
All right, so lock the front.
Oh poor paint. The poor paint, Jeff. It's too late now.
I stalled it somehow too.
Yeah, it's stalled. It like made a
That is sick. I like that word. Lock.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sweet, right? It, yeah, well, it has e-lockers.
Oh, so you do have e-lock. So you can fully lock up
Yeah,
and then stop one tire and
yeah.
You get it, Mano? Did you get it?
Going crazy. Tearing it apart. See when the branches are in your face. Uh-oh. You're gonna have to send it. Uh-oh. Oh boy, he is going. You're gonna have to send it, John. Let's get it. Oh yeah, they're going. So, going up this trail, the other Jeeps are not gonna make it. So we're gonna turn around here, go back down, and head up the power lines to get to the towers. Gonna follow the Jeep here. We are fresh powder.
oh, Jack, you fucking slow
I actually never heard a Ford Bronco pop like this, guys.
Hey, send it, John. We're ready.
Oh no. Nice.
Perfect.
Right.
And then that should point you up there, and then you put your driver on that left rock there, just to the left of that, where you can see most of the rock, and
Yeah.
then you can see like an indention in the snow.
Yeah.
You want that's right at that point of that rock is where you want to put your left front driver.
Right in front of that.
Yep.
Right.
That's right, baby. Hell yeah! Woohoo! You're actually right in the right spot, but you want to be this side of that rock.
Yeah.
Right there, because you're gonna hit this one.
Right.
When you hit this one, you keep your steady momentum coming up.
Mhm.
You still want to hit that and be right here. Not here, because if you jump up and come down here, your back's gonna hang up there.
Right.
You're gonna hit this, and your whole rig's gonna do this.
Yeah, and then you'll just slide back in here.
Yeah, or break an axle.
Yeah.
So if you pop over, if you come to the left and come here, right here, that's where you want to be,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, no, we need to hit that in the dry.
Yeah, that exactly.
We need to crawl over
That's
that.
the nasty one, yeah.
Crawl
It's
over
too
that.
big. Yeah. Bring the excavator out here.
Straight up the train set. This is where that hill comes out. Well, it gets over from the right side of the gate.
Bronco's popping. What? Sick. And that is going to wrap it up for the first snow of the year in the Bronco. Now, if you've stuck around to this point, thanks for watching, and If you are subscribed to the channel, thanks for sticking around. Obviously, I kind of went MIA for a little bit. And all I'm going to say is that a master's in cybersecurity is a lot of work. So, there you go. But I'm going into my last term here. So, we should have some more content rolling here. We definitely will have some more snow wheeling going on, amongst other things. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.